I'm Penrhys and we're at Llanfair Uniting Church, Penrhys. My role has changed over the years. Originally I came as a volunteer and then I became education worker, but now I suppose you could call me a missionary worker. My role is very varied. Penrhys is a housing estate right on the top of a mountain between the Rhondda and Fach, and it was built in the 60s, originally intended for workers, for miners from the north of England, but when the village was ready, the mines were beginning to close, so as an alternative, Rhondda Borough Council then forced people to come from local communities such as Tylerstown, because their houses were substandard, and to live on top of the mountain without facilities, and also people from different parts of Britain with social problems were forced to come to live here. So it wasn't a good start at all. So there has been a lot of problems over the years with crime, drugs, alcohol and so on. I mean, we've still got issues, but it's improved a lot. Smaller as a community, but it's a very close community. Trevallis, who own most of the houses, are going to be doing a regeneration project, which is in planning with Llanfair and local residents. Llanfair is right at the heart of the community of Penrhys. We're open 6 days a week. We're open for worship on Sunday. And then during the week, we have lots of various activities. We have the children coming up from school, Penrhys Primary School on a Monday morning, followed by Bible study. We have daytime coffee 3 days a week. And then we've got the Warm Spaces coffee morning on a Friday when the cafe is closed. And we've got a well-being walk as well, where we can fit it in.
The community's getting better, and there's less trouble than what it used to be. And if it weren't for the church itself, I think Penrhys would be crumbled, because this is the heart of Penrhys. Everyone comes here.
I volunteer a lot for the church to be able to make sure everything is able to keep going. Obviously we've got the food bank, the furniture bank, the clothes bank, daytime evening cafe, homework club. And when volunteers come in, we're able to make sure that they're able to do what's right for them, get to sound them out and see what they want to do as well.
My name is Jiu and I'm from South Korea. And I work in kitchen and homework club, and church, that's it. I think the church is very lovely because every people coming to our church know each other very well, and they are willing to help each other.
We have a boys group, teenage boys group, which is developing well, because the boys who come have been in trouble during the last year or so, and coming here is helping them, and they've recently started volunteering for us, doing outside jobs, which is really helping them, and their parents are really pleased.
It's a good community for us to do stuff. It keeps us away from trouble. They organise things, like downstairs we've got a pool table, ping pong table, and we got stuff for little kids as well, for them to play with.
Well, it's my faith, keeps me going. Every day is a challenge here. Saturday is the only quiet day, and it's just, it's full of variety, very busy, challenging in different ways, but yes, my faith keeps me going.
I can't say enough good about Sharon. She does everything. She flat to the boards all the time, and again, I don't think Penrhys would be the same if it wasn't for Sharon.